What is up, everybody? Scott Innocente here with Windsor Real Estate Market Updates, and today I want to talk to you about something super interesting, and I want to help you think about the long-term trajectory of Ontario's real estate market. Come on inside, let's talk about this together. So this week we saw a super interesting article from a guest writer in the Windsor Star, basically complaining about the current status of Windsor's real estate market. And I totally understand exactly what she was saying, because our market is simply out of control. Prices are rising at an incredibly fast clip, and buyers are having a hard time keeping up with 45% price increases year over year. So what does this mean for investors? Well, basically, we're gonna have a much larger pool of tenants to choose from in the coming decades. And what I love about this is they're going to be qualified, high income, good credit tenants that are going to have no choice but to rent for longer periods of time. And as a real estate investor, that makes my job a lot easier when we have a bigger pool of good tenants to choose from. Another thing we have to consider, because housing prices are increasing so quickly, that should mean that rents are going to rise as well, simply because you have to charge a higher rent when you pay more for the house. And when there's a bigger pool of tenants and less houses to choose from, that also pushes rents higher as well. So the point of this group here, guys, is to get people thinking more long-term about the current status of Ontario's real estate market, especially as investors, and especially how to profit off of what's happening in the market, trying to look out 10 to 20 years down the road. The future is very bright for real estate ownership in Ontario, in Windsor specifically, and you should own as much real estate as possible, in my opinion. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next week.